there, tech aficionados. Welcome back to Skill Ful Solutions, the one-stop hub for mastering all things digital. Today we've got a quick and handy guide for you: how to turn off Facebook Messenger sound. If those constant ding sounds are driving you up to the wall, stay tuned as we walk you through the simple steps to regain your peace and quiet. Know the feeling. Your phone is buzzing, your computer is streaming, and you're desperately searching for the volume control. Fear not, because we're about to silence those Messenger notifications like a pro. While you're here, you can further personalize your Messenger experience. Adjust how notifications appear, whether they vibrate, and even turn off the dreaded pop-ups. 1. Opening settings. By dragging down the shortcut bar, press settings at top right corner of the phone. Step 2. Accessing notifications. After that, go to one of the settings called Apps and scroll down until you find Messenger. Then tap on the notification in Messenger. Step 3. Customizing notification settings. And from there, you want to press silent from the given alternative to turn off Messenger sound. And just like that, the symphony of Messenger dings is no more. Don't you feel the tranquility already? If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech-savvy tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Stay tuned for more skillful solutions to conquer your digital challenge. Until next time, embrace the quiet and keep mastering the digital realm. Stay tuned for more skillful solutions to conquer your digital challenge. Until next time, embrace the quiet and keep mastering the digital realm.